going on, guys? How you guys doing? So today I'll be working on my dad's BMW GS. It's 2007. It has 114,000 miles on it. He passed away on December 4th, 2024 due to cancer complications, and he fought for 4 years, so he did very well, but cancer finally got to him. His funeral is coming up, and we are going to be taking this bike into the service, and it'll be his last ride. So I'm going to be thankful enough to be taking him, so I got to get this bike ready. So as you see, we already kind of took this part. We found that there was a fuel leak. We got the part. I went to BMW, I bought the part, and I'm gonna be installing it. So I'm gonna show you. So this right here is a quick release for a fuel nozzle, see? And I'm gonna be replacing this, this right here. So I'm gonna cut this off. I tried to pinch this because I thought it was this, but like the hose leaking, but it's not. But I'm gonna cut this off. We'll replace this, and I'm gonna put a hose clamp. I don't have another pinch hose fitting. I have hose clamps, so should work the same. I'm gonna fix this. We'll go from there. Stick around. Okay, let's cut that fitting off. Okay, let's cut this bad boy off. It's like the barbs really clamped down on it over time, so kind of a pain in the ass. There you go. That piece. That O-ring. New one. Old one. Okay. Look at that. Oh. See the difference? New O-ring. So almost $40. Like $38. I'm gonna be 100% honest. My dad would be pissed because he would be like, I needed to take it to BMW. And also impressed that we're doing it, so I don't know. Either way it works. Okay, she's in. Now, what size do you think that is? I got two just in case. Okay, so it's going to be this 1/4 inch. So let me. So my favorite tool is this bad boy right here, because you could like see this. It's a chuck fitting. It takes in chuck fittings. I had to move it. Because the fitting or the hose clamp was actually moving, getting in the way of the quick disconnect. So I'm gonna start up, see if it leaks. Alright guys, thank you for watching. So happy. I'm gonna put it back together. We're gonna have a running bike for my dad's funeral, and I'm so excited. Thank you for watching. See you guys.